management. In today's practical, we are going to learn about calculation of NPW. Okay, that means in this practical, we are studied about discounted methods of project appraisal. Okay, so first of all, we come to know what is meant by NPW. Okay, so this NPW is one of the most important method of discounted measures of project appraisal. So this NPW, it is the straightforward discounted cash flow measures of project worth. In this method, the incremental net benefit or incremental cash flow stream is calculated. Okay, that means it may be calculated by finding the difference between present worth of benefit less the present worth of cost. That means this NPV or NPW is nothing but the difference between present worth of benefit and present worth of cost. Okay, this is the net present value or net present worth. Okay, the net present value is estimated by using equation NPW is equal to BT minus CT upon 1 plus I raised to T, where BT is equal to benefit in each year, CT is equal to cost in each year, T is equal to number of years, and I is equal to interest rate or discount rate. By using this formula, we can calculate NPW or NPV. Okay, so take first example, that is calculate NPW for given project at the rate of 12% discount rate from following information. Okay, so these are the some cost and benefit information given on a project. So in this project, costs are given for 5 years and benefits are also given for 5 years. The discount rates are 12%. Okay, so for solution, we need to calculate first net income. So net income is calculated by taking difference between benefits and cost. Okay, that means benefit minus cost is equal to net income. Okay, so respectively calculate the net income of 5 years. That means for first year, net income, that is benefit 0 minus 38,900 is equal to minus 38,900. For second year, benefit, that is 28,475 minus 9,239 is equal to 19,236. Likewise, you have to calculate net income of next 5 year. Okay, then after calculation of next net income, next step is to calculate discount factor. Okay, so discount factor, formula for discount factor is equal to 1 plus I raised to minus T, where I is equal to discount rate, which is given at in example, that is 12%. So for calculation, we take the discount rate in a fraction form, that is 0.12. T is equal to time period. Okay, that means this 1 to 5 year time period is given. So the discount factor for first year, it can be calculated by putting values, that is 1 plus discount rate, that is 0.12 raised to minus 1 for first year. Okay, so by solving this bracket, your final answer is 0.8928. This is the discount factor for first year. In case of second year, you just take 1 plus 0.12 raised to minus 2. That means minus 2 for second year, minus 3 for third year, minus 4 point fourth year, and minus 5 for fifth year. Likewise, you have to calculate the discount factor of respective years. Okay, so this is the second step, that is calculation of discount factor. Okay, after calculation of discount factor, next step, that is calculate NPW or NPV. Okay, so NPW is equal to net income into discount factor. We get NPW of respective year. So here one example is given, that is NPW, that is net income for first year, it is minus 38,900 into discount factor for first year, that is 0.8928, which is equal to minus 34,729.92. Respectively, calculate the NPW of next 5 year. Then after calculation of 5 year NPWs, then final summation of NPW is calculated, which is near about 26,565.54. Okay, this is the NPW, and on the basis of this NPW, final conclusion can be written, that is the calculated NPW is 26,565.4, which is positive, hence project is financially feasible and accepted. That means on the basis of NPW, conclusion can be made, if the value of NPW is positive, then project is financially feasible and accepted. If the value of NPW is negative, then project is financially not feasible and rejected. Okay, this is all about NPW. Okay, this is the second example, that is calculate NPW for a given project at the rate of 12% discount rate from following information. So this is the cost and benefit information which is given to you, and by using this cost and benefit data, you have to calculate NPW for a given project at the rate of 12% discount rate. Okay, so this is your assignment. You have to solve this example and write in your practical manual. Okay, so this is all about calculation of NPW. Okay, if you have any queries, ask me. Okay, thank you all.